Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the role of Chinese contractors in rebuilding Jamaica. Now, as you know, Hurricane Melissa devastated the western part of Jamaica. It cost, or it's estimated that the damages will cost US $8 billion to repair. And the government recently got a loan for 6.7 billion US dollars. And that's just one loan from one entity. So there is enough money to rebuild Jamaica. So it comes down to the question of who should the government use to rebuild Western Jamaica? And it's guys, let us know what you think. But the Chinese contractors that work in Jamaica do an excellent job. So there's a 90% chance that they will, well, not even 90, probably 100% that they will get the job to rebuild Jamaica. Because money is not an issue, the funds are there, it's just to start the process of rebuilding. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on why the government should use Chinese contractors. As Jamaica prepares to embark on one of the most ambitious reconstruction programs in its history, the country is turning toward partners with the capacity, experience, and technical depth to help rebuild at scale. Among these partners, Chinese contractors are expected to play a meaningful supporting role. Their presence in Jamaica's construction sector is long established, and their familiarity with the island's terrain, climate patterns, and engineering demands now become a strategic advantage during recovery. For more than 2 decades, Chinese engineering firms have delivered some of Jamaica's largest national projects: highways, bridges, water systems, and public buildings. This history has given them a clear understanding of local building codes, hurricane resilience standards, and the logistics of working with Jamaican subcontractors and government agencies. With that foundation, they are capable of mobilizing quickly and efficiently as the country begins rebuilding after Hurricane Melissa. Reconstruction on this scale requires speed paired with precision. Chinese contractors are known for their ability to deploy large workforces, operate multiple major sites simultaneously, and manage complex engineering tasks. These strengths are particularly valuable in areas where Jamaica needs rapid action, restoring washed-out roads, repairing bridges, rebuilding public facilities, and constructing modern, storm-resistant housing communities. Their high-capacity systems help compress project timelines without affecting safety or structural quality. Another advantage is their growing use of advanced technologies. Many Chinese construction firms employ drone-based surveying, digital project management tools, and climate-resilient engineering models. When paired with Jamaica's goals for stronger, smarter infrastructure, these tools help produce buildings and transportation networks designed not only to withstand today's pressures but to endure the intensifying storms of the future. Crucially, their involvement also supports Jamaican workers. Chinese contractors typically partner with local tradespeople and suppliers, creating jobs, transferring new skills, and strengthening the national construction workforce. The recovery effort therefore becomes more than a physical rebuild, it becomes a program of capacity development. Their participation fits naturally within the broader international recovery package, which draws on financing from CAF, the IDB, CDB, IMF, and World Bank. Any engagement of Chinese firms must follow Jamaican procurement rules and global engineering standards, ensuring transparency, accountability, and climate-resilient outcomes. With Hurricane Melissa causing an estimated US $8.8 billion in damage, Jamaica faces a reconstruction challenge of historic scale. Funding alone is not enough. The country needs partners with the manpower, expertise, and reliability to deliver. Chinese contractors can help fill those gaps, supporting Jamaica's mission to build back stronger, developing infrastructure that protects communities, accelerates national recovery, and strengthens resilience for storms yet to come. Alright, guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright, guys, have a good day.